Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the environment and starting logdogs right away. Install the updated v2. Then create the project folder and add config. JSON. Run the init command in terminal to generate baseline files and watch the console for success messages. Once done, inspect the generated config to confirm endpoints and API key fields are set. Make sure to keep credentials out of public repos, and verify the service is listening on the expected port before moving to ingestion. Now you ingest and tag logs so logdogs can organize them. Connect your sources using adapters for app logs, syslog, and external APIs. Once connected, map fields to the required JSON schema. You should ensure timestamp is ISO 8601 and include a severity level so filtering works reliably. Then create tag rules to label records by service, environment, and region. This tagging powers fast queries and dashboards. Make sure to validate a sample payload to confirm parsing behaves as expected. Finish by querying, alerting, and dealing with problems quickly. Use the query language to select fields, filter with where clauses, group by tags, and limit results to 100 for quick checks. Next, set alert rules, threshold, anomaly, or rate-based, and route notifications to webhook or email so you catch issues early. If parsing or tagging fails, enable debug mode, reprocess a single sample log, and review the parser output to pinpoint mismatches. Make adjustments to the schema, then rerun ingestion to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.